pizza. Welcome back to my channel. I am so elated, so freaking excited because I'm about to unbox one of my favorites, and I mean my ultimate favorite unboxings brand here right now. It is the FabFitFun box. And I'm sure you guys have heard about FabFitFun by now. It is one of the best boxes as far as value goes. And I say that because you pay $49.99 seasonally. So 4 boxes you would get per year, $49.99. And the value is usually at least double, if not triple the value. I looked it up and my actual winter value box on this is over $300. So I am so elated. I'm so excited to see what's inside. In fact, if you guys go to FabFitFun.com, you can check out the website for yourself. And if you want to sign up, I will leave my link down below for you to check it out. And yes, I get a little bit of a referral kickback, which will go towards my next box. So I would appreciate it if you signed up under me. If not, hey, it's all good. I just want you guys all to see what FabFitFun has to offer, because I guarantee it, if you love beauty, if you love fashion, if you love household items, if you love any of those lifestyle things, there's going to be at least one or more items in the box that you will absolutely adore. And let me just explain a little bit how FabFitFun is. You sign up you go under FabFitFun.com, you sign up, and you actually get to customize your box. You get to choose at least 3 items to go inside your box. So you get, like, for one of the items, you'll have a choice of either this or that. And you do that 3 times. So you actually get to know for sure what 3 of your items are inside your box, which is super fun. If you don't want to know what's in your box, you can always choose random and they will choose it for you. So for me, I actually wanted to know 3 of the items in my box because I love surprises, but I also like to know that I am getting my value's worth in the box. And let me just say, with one of the items that I chose, it already covers my box expense. So I know this box is awesome. You guys ready for me to open it? I am ready to open. This is the winter 2020-21 FabFitFun box. Okay, so another really super cool thing about FabFitFun is they have an add-on section, which is open. There's usually a small window that you can log in and you can order add-ons to go inside your box as well, and they are usually at discounted prices. So I have done that in previous boxes. If you guys want to check out what I've gotten in previous FabFitFun boxes, go ahead and click that link right up there, and you can see what I've gotten in previous seasonal boxes. I don't think I ordered any add-ons this time around, but it's been a while since I've logged in, so I'm not exactly sure if I did order anything. I guess we'll be surprised once I open it up. So let's go ahead. Without further ado, let's open the FabFitFun winter box. I love how these boxes are so big. So big. Who doesn't love unboxings? Like, for real. Super fun. And I love the designs of their boxes. Like, how festive is that? Got little snowflakes and just festive winter design. So much fun. But I'm kind of a dork like that. I love how they package. I love the design. It just makes it so much more fun and festive. Okay, so let's see what is inside. I can get it open. Actually, we've got a little sticker here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Having a little difficulty. I think it's because I'm just so darn excited. Okay, here we go. Here's the inside. Got some paper. And they always have a fun little magazine inside, and they usually have a celebrity on the front. They have a cover story. It's just a fun little magazine. They do interviews, and they do include some specialty stories, some beauty. If you see here, it says looks that shimmer. Just some beauty advice, tips, different ideas for accessories and such. Winter drinks. So it's definitely something I love to check out. Curl up with a hot cup of tea or something like that. Okay, they always have some fun little coupons. They got a cute little sticker, FabFitFun sticker. And they always have the marketing if you want to get some wine. Dear self, today you will shine. HBO Max, Hello Fresh, and here we go. Here are the items. Ta-da! Yeah. So let's take a little look-see. I have my website pulled up here too, so I can kind of see the value. Okay, so one of the customizable items that I chose, and I don't remember what the other option was because I was so darn excited to see this as an option, but it is a Summer and Rose robe. Like, seriously, this is a bathrobe. The value on this is $70. $70. It is so soft. Like, how perfect for chilling around the house. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a camel color. It's so soft. Like, seriously soft. Look at that. I ordered a size small, medium. No, it's extra small, small, medium. So it's like 3 sizes. And it has the nice little tie right here. So yeah, a nice bathrobe, $70. Yeah! So that is one of my customizable items. Next up, you guys, this was the second item that I chose. I've always wanted one of these. This is an Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight LED makeup mirror. Look at this, you guys. Seriously. High definition, distortion-free makeup mirror. It has a soft touch sensor dimmer switch, long-lasting daylight LED lights, and a dual power source. The value on this is $45. Yes, I am so excited for this, you guys. I have never really owned one of these before. I know, I'm so behind the times, but look at it. It has a stand in here too. The stand for it. And then it has the actual mirror right here. See that? Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Mamacita. Isn't that awesome, you guys? I'm so excited for that. So $45 for the LED vanity mirror, and the robe was $70. We're killing it. We are freaking killing it here, guys. Okay, next up we have, I'm trying to find my other customizable. Here it is. This is my third customizable item. This is Dr. Brandt. I love this brand. I freaking love it. Dr. Brandt POREDERMABRASION exfoliant. See that? Okay, you guys, the value on this is $58. And if you're not familiar with the Dr. Brandt brand, you guys, this brand is legit, like for real. So this one helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, and helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. Something that I absolutely love and need for my skin. So yeah, $58. This is so exciting. I'm really, really happy with this so far. Well, I knew what I was getting with those 3 items. Okay, let's see what else I got. All right, we have Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. Ooh, I have not heard of this. Obviously, I've heard of hair masks before. So this will be interesting. It's pure and soothing. The patter of rain is a lullaby for the soul. It has shea butter, argan oil, and cleansing cream. It helps to moisturize, create soft, strong, and hydration. Work through damp hair from roots to tips. Leave in for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse. So it's like a deep conditioner. Rhythm of the Rain. What does it smell like? It smells very clean. Kind of like cucumber. It smells like. Definitely cucumber. Okay, so this value is $28. $28. I'm excited to try this. I really am. I really like, for me, I color my hair and it gets very dry. So I definitely need some deep conditioning on this mane here. So I'm really excited to try this for sure. Okay, next up we have Beautaniq Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. Ideal for tired and overworked eyes that's seen too many late nights. So these are basically, I want to say that they're just like the eye patches. Hero ingredients, you have cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic, I can't say it, whatever acid. Helps to keep the skin well lubricated and moist. So yes, how many pairs do we have in here? 4 individually wrapped masks. So yeah, those are worth $25 for these. Yeah, that'll be fun. Put on my robe, put on my eye mask, put my hair in the mask, and chill, right? All right, next up we have, we have a Kind Thin Dark Chocolate Nuts and Sea Salt. I love these bars so much. The Kind bars, I have not tried the thins. I think these might be a new thing, but they have 4 grams of sugar, gluten-free, and almonds, 90 calories. So yeah, I love these. I love this brand so much. All right, next up we have, these are the random picks now that they just threw in the box. This is a Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. Okay, so this is vegan. Basically, you use the Daily Facial Dry Brush only on dry, freshly cleansed skin. So this is a facial brush. Have you guys ever used one of these before? I have not. I usually do my Mia electric type facial brush on my face. So this will be interesting to try. If I can open it, let's see. It's just like a wooden facial brush, soft bristles, that kind of thing. So on the face, it'll be worth trying, definitely. I don't see the value on this one, but yeah, definitely cool. I wouldn't buy it on my own. So to get it in a box like this is super awesome. And you guys have heard me say this before, but that is one of the main reasons why I love subscription boxes, because you can get products that you probably normally wouldn't buy in the store on your own. Like, oh yeah, I want to get that. But if you have it in your box and you try it and you like it, hey, it's awesome. So awesome. And I've been introduced to products that way, and I've actually bought them again because I enjoyed them so much. So Glam Glow was one of those products, and you guys know how I feel about Glam Glow. Okay, next up, we have 2 things left. We have Londontown Get Well Nail Recovery. So this is like a nail repair. Healthier looking nails are just 1 week away. It's an intense treatment infused with a blend of powerful hydrators and strengtheners. My nails are a hot mess right now. Okay, yes, so it's the Cure Get Well Nail Recovery. Basically, just throw it on your nails. Apply 1 coat on bare nails and allow to dry. So it helps strengthen your nails. Definitely will be trying this for sure. All right. And the next item, the last item, is Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars Blemish Patches. Okay, this is Breakouts Happen. It says, stars misalign, but fear not. It's not the end. Cute enough to be worn during the day. Lucky Stars Blemish Patches are packed with powerful natural ingredients that team up to suck out impurities, soothe skin, and reduce the potential for scarring so you can shine like the star you are. I am guessing they are like stars to put on your face to cover up your acne. Let's open it because I'm curious. Yes, yes. I have never seen anything like this. Have you guys? Little stars, like seriously. What if you have like acne all over, face full of stars? I guess definitely something I wouldn't buy on my own, but fun to try, right? All right, so that was my entire box for FabFitFun. Let's do a quick recap. Paradox Blemish covers, the nail repair, the Kind Thin, the Guardian Angel eye patches, the Rhythm of the Rain hair mask, the Daily Facial Brush, the Dr. Brandt POREDERMABRASION, the mirror, which I am super excited about, right here, and finally, the robe. Yes! So that, you guys, was the winter box for 2020. How freaking amazing. And on my account here, it says the value, $370. $370 freaking dollars. So awesome. If you guys are interested in trying out FabFitFun for yourself, check out their website, you guys. I'll have a link down below along with all of the items that I received. I'll have a little link in there. You can check them out along with their prices, the value, all that stuff in my description area. And thank you guys so much for watching. It was so much fun, so much freaking fun. And we're gonna get back to weekly videos, so be sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give it a like and comment down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you again next time.